Yo, Happy New Year, guys. In this video, I want to show you how we're able to get 173 leads for $4.92 cost per lead for one of our vinyl wrap campaigns for our clients. So I'm going to go over the setup, show you how we did it, and show you some of the best practices that you can do to improve your cost per lead or increase your lead acquisition for your auto detailing, vinyl wrap, or ceramic coating business. So I'm Midjon. I'm the senior media buyer of Clutch Digital, and I've been managing this campaign for almost 2 months. And as you can see, in the last 30 days, we're able to get $4.92 cost per lead. We're currently in our ads manager. $4.92 cost per lead, 173 leads acquired in total, which is 72% lower compared to the previous 30 days. So we're actually able to cut off their cost per lead by more than 72%. So I'm going to show you exactly how we did that. So first, this is the ad set level. You can see we go over to edit, see the setup that I did here. First will be the conversion location. We are only using instant forms, especially if you're local business. Instant forms would be better for you because you're not using an external website and the opt-in rates would be much higher because they're already integrated into Facebook. Next, this is optimized for maximizing the number of leads, though we can't edit it since it's published already, but we turn it to optimize for leads. Then the important thing is to make sure dynamic creative is turned on. Dynamic creative is very important if you want to let the algorithm basically choose which headlines, which copy, or which videos will work best for your ad. So it works this way. Let's say you have three different videos and two different ad copy. Facebook will kind of shuffle and mix them, so Facebook will choose which video will be performing better, which video is performing better, which copy is performing better, which headlines performing better. Basically, scale that combination. It's kind of a lazy way of putting all things into a mix. So make sure you're utilizing this feature. Another thing for budget and schedule, it depends on to you. Audience controls. Okay. For local business, especially for vinyl wrap, detailing, ceramic coating, where we expertise on, we recommend an area of 15 miles away from your 15 miles radius away from your actual shop. It might be lower. You can go as low as 10 miles if you're in a city where there's a lot of people, it's crowded, it's center. You can go lower. And if you are in the rural areas, you can go broader up to 25 miles. But ideally, we want to keep it between that range, 10 to 25 miles radius. Next would be the audience targeting. Now, we only have two audience targeting that works. Either the broad targeting, which is the open targeting, so no interests here, or what you can see here will be like high-end luxury vehicle audiences. So I just put them all together. You can take a screenshot if you want, but basically it's Aston Martin, Ferrari, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, BMW, all of those luxury vehicles, especially if you're running vinyl wrap campaigns, because most of your clients or most of your money will come from high-end luxury vehicles. So you can choose that, or you can choose to do broad as well. Basically, remove all the targeting and let Facebook choose the audience. So that's that. Ideally, for audience size, you want to be greater than 500,000. Ideally, 500,000 to 1 million. Anything above 1 million, that will be too broad. You'll see fewer conversion rates. Anything lower than 500,000 would be too narrow, and you have high cost per lead. So you have to maintain the balance between the two. Ideally, you want to keep it between 500,000 to 1 million audience size. Now, that might go up as you increase the budget. You might need a bigger audience as you increase the budget. But if you're running $30 per day campaign, which is $1,000 a month on ad spend, which is what we're doing right here, ideally keep it at 500 to 1 million. Next, I'll go over the ads themselves. This is how we set up the dynamic creative ads. As you can see, we have Facebook and Instagram here, single image or video. Then, this is the good thing about dynamic creative. We have 6 videos here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But those are just 3 videos. 3 videos. 2 of them has a like headers on top and bottom. I'll show you a preview. So you can see we have 6 videos here. This is the first video. Let's try to play it.
C63S full face wrap. From satin gold to satin black.
That's the first video. This is the second video. I'm clicking here on the right side. This is the second video. Okay. This is the third video. Color options for your car. That one, different colors for vinyl wrap. Then the next 3 would be the same video. Those are the same videos. See here, I'll click it, but with headers. See? You see the get $300 off. See here? Yep, you get $300 off. So these are just the same videos, but with headers on top and bottom. The good thing about dynamic creative is you can mix all of them together. Put them all into one stack, maybe maximum of 10. Facebook only allows 10, but you have different variations, and you also have different copy. Right now, we're running one ad copy, but if you can't choose which copy to run, just add the text option, and you can add up to 5 ad copies, and Facebook will choose which one's performing well. Also, for headlines, you can add a headline option as well. Then call to action, you can add another option, but right now we're just using learn more or get code. Now, I want to show you how the form looks like. So one good thing about getting high quality cost per lead is, one good thing about getting good cost per lead is you have to sacrifice quality of lead. So there's an indirect proportion. The lower the cost per lead, most of the times the quality of leads are shit, and it goes vice versa. But in this account is what I want to show you. These are high quality leads because the questions that we're asking here in the form is not just email, not just phone number, not just name, but we're also asking them how soon do they want to transform their vehicles. Look, are they looking for a simple change or something more custom, and their vehicle make, model, color, and year. And on the next page, you ask them their first name, their last name, the email, and their contact numbers as well. So once people opt in, you can pretty much guarantee that they're gonna answer the call, because you are gonna know if they're really looking into vinyl wrapping. So that's that. Now, this form is integrated into our Go High Level, which I'm not gonna show right now, probably on the next video, where once they opt in, an SMS will be sent to them, an email will be sent to them, and then eventually the business owner or the closers can call them and close the deal or close the appointment. So that's on the back end side. So we want to make sure that the leads are getting nurtured and they're getting contacted immediately after they sign it, because leads are useless without nurturing, without appointments, and without sales. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to talk over this on the next video, show you how we set up everything in Go High Level. But for the meantime, this is what I would like to discuss about dynamic creative. You can use this view to know which videos delivered the most amount of results. So here we are in the ads level. See, this is the dynamic creative ad. If you go down to breakdown here and go by dynamic creative element, and let's see image, video, and slideshow, then a drop-down filter will show where you can see, oh, majority of the leads came from this video. 128 leads came from this video alone. Now, you can analyze what's with this video? What's with this video? Why did it perform better compared to other ones?
Time and time again, you taught me how to feel. Now we're walking out that dealership, I'm caught a mail, baby. Everything I do for you, you know it's real.
See, that's a simple 11-second video, just a simple before and after with headers, no voiceovers, just good background music. Why did it bring good results compared to the other ones? So that's how you can utilize dynamic creative to 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 improve the quality or improve your ads. Now, what you can do is take this video and try to make as many variations of this similar video as possible. And that's how you get good results. So, if you want to learn more about what we're doing, we're currently revealing all our strategies, all our setups, all our ads. We're currently revealing it. All you have to do is click the link. There's a link below where you can schedule a call with one of our team members, and we'll be happy to show you the results that we made for other clients in the industry. We're only working with auto detailing, ceramic coating, vinyl wrap, PPF types of companies and types of businesses. So if you are that business and you're looking to scale your business and have someone run your entire advertising and your nurturing and your lead sequence, feel free to visit the link below and we'll show you exactly how we're doing it.